Some time ago we removed this window and took measurements and sent it off to a window company. I believe they're out in Washington State, to make us a new window to put in here. So today we're going to see if we can install that window. We have to do some modifications because the old window had a slight radius curve and we're going to mitered corners, so we're going to cut that curve out. But hopefully we can get the new window installed. We've just had a sheet of plastic, heavy-duty plastic, over this hole for well over 6 months. Production backlogs, as everybody knows, you know, everybody's having trouble getting parts and stuff, so there was a slowdown on getting the windows made. But we got the window in and we're going to try to install it today. So this is our window. We've been carrying around this box for weeks waiting for the weather to be right so we could try to install it. So this is our first look at the window. And there it is. Comes with a screen, the darkest tint that we could get. That's a gasket, foam gasket, to install it.
Nice.
Looks pretty good.
I was worried since it was boxed up for so long.
I don't see any problems with it yet.
Handles just...
Yep.
Are they plastic or metal?
They feel like plastic.
I guess they weren't worried about them then. Or I guess the box had it in position.
Alright, so the first thing we need to do is just set the window up there.
Okay.
And draw a line around it.
Okay.
So I know where to cut.
Okay, because this has square corners, whereas ours was rounded corners.
Yep.
Okay.
Alright.
Yep, it is a lot darker tint, so that should help keep it cooler. The deck is hot. We had to get some shoes. Would you like some shoes?
Yes, please.
You want me to spray some water on the shoes?
Oh, that was hot. Okay. I like the construction of this.
Hold on.
He's trying to outrun it, wasn't he?
Yeah, he wants to get home before the storm hits, I guess. I didn't know you were out here.
You know how once before it flipped in the high wind?
Yeah. Well, and I mean, the wind just swung all of our boats around almost instantly. Here comes the rain. I'm feeling it. Oh, you got this one already. Everybody's trying to get home before the rain.
I feel sorry for these people. They arrived just as this storm arrived and are trying to anchor in the high winds and the waves.
Ron went to go get some groceries. He's back there somewhere on his way over here. It was really rough earlier. The water was actually, the waves were breaking over that little break wall right there. There he comes. Goodies in it too. I want to show you what happens when you stay anchored in the same spot too long. I already tried cleaning some of that's close up. Look at all that growth. One week. I brought you this too. It does both sides at one time, or all sides at one time. Have fun. I'm going to go up above.
Yeah.
We're trading places. I want to move this fender for right now so it won't get all nasty. I don't usually leave it up here because it blocks the air going through the V-burrs. Want me to spray it some? all over his nice new clean paint job.
Yeah.
Is where we're going to be bringing it. I'm glad we trade places. I've done that job before. Boat here don't care on the anchor chain.